Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another week in review. This is week number 4. We have made it through 4 weeks in the new year. This is awesome. Well, I'm glad everyone's had a good time. I'm glad everyone has been coming to watch the videos. And to start it off, we're going to tell you what happened Monday. Monday was the Dollar Tree wire stripper. The wire stripper was, well, you'll have to see. You'll have to check out the video. Now, after the Dollar Tree wire stripper, we went on to Tuesday. We did a quick tip for entertainers. That was the quick tip for entertainers comedy prop frog. That's all I'm going to tell you. You got to see the video because it'll be fun. Okay? So Wednesday we did a little video, again, a quick tip for entertainers. Another way to use your spring snakes. A fun little M&M container. So check that one out. That was Wednesday. The spring snake container. It was a little M&M container. Okay? Now, Thursday we did the discount tool review. We started out with the Dollar Tree utility knife. That was a single knife. It had a kind of a contoured handle, and it came, I think, with some extra blades. So that was one knife. Now, I guess that was Thursday. Friday, we did the Dollar Tree utility knife set. That was three of the same actually, but they were the small utility knives, and you can carry them in your little boxes and this and that, and you can keep them all separate, okay? Now, Saturday we wrapped the week up with another discount tool review. It was the Dollar Tree safety scraper, okay? So it will tell you all sorts of stuff about what you can do to put it together and all that, but it's the Dollar Tree safety scraper. I guess the kind where you scrape the little wads of gum off the floor and all that, okay? So that was the week. We did it. We made it through week number 4. Now, we want to see if we're doing what you like. If you like the videos, let us know. If you want other videos, let us know. We're going to be doing a lot more puppet videos. We're going to be doing some more discount tool reviews. We're going to be doing a lot of magical stuff so that we can do the quick tips for entertainers and things like that. So please, 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 let us know what you think, okay? So, again, this is the DIY Magician. Thank you for coming back, for all those of you who've been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe for the updates. And I want to thank you again. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.